how to remove unwanted pre-installed apps, bloatware. So if you want to remove unwanted pre-installed apps or delete system apps on your Android without root, then first you need to install two applications, which is one is Shizuku and the other one is Kanta. So you need to go with your Play Store and then install these two applications. One is this Kanta debloater and the next one is this Shizuku. Once you've done that, now you need to prepare your phone. So open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with about phone and then you will have software information. Go with it. And you need to tap on your build number for at least 7 times. And your developer mode will be turned on. In my case, my developer mode has already been turned on. If not, then you need to turn on your developer mode. So in my case, it was the MIUI version. If you tap on it, then you'll be a developer. So once you are a developer or once you have your developer option, you just need to simply go with it. Search, and in my case, I have the developer options right here. Tap on it and make sure that this is turned on. After that, scroll down and you'll find an option of USB debugging. Turn this on. Tap on I'm aware of the possible risk and then tap on OK, which will be on the bottom. After that, you will have wireless debugging. You need to tap on it. And then here you need to allow it. Tap on allow and then tap on OK. Now the third step is you need to set up your Shizuku. So go back and open up your Shizuku application. And here you need to tap on pairing. And it says that you need to allow the notification. So you need to just go and allow the notifications. Once you allow the notifications, you'll get this kind of interface. Now tap on your developer options, which is on the bottom. And then here you need to go with use wireless debugging. Tap on it and you need to go with pair a device. So go and turn on your wireless debugging and then tap on pair device with pairing code and you will have your pairing code right here. Now once your pairing service has been found, you need to enter the pairing code, which is shown right here. So tap on enter pairing code and then you need to enter your pairing code. After that, go with send. Now you can start your Shizuku service. So once it says pairing successful, you need to just go back. Now you can just simply tap on start and that's it. Shizuku will run in the background. Or if that doesn't work, then you can just simply go back and go with your wireless debugging, enable it, and then disable it and then again enable and go back and then tap on start and your Shizuku will start running. Now you can just simply go back and open up your Kanta app and then tap on proceed. Now you can just simply go with the filter which is on the top right and then select only system. And now it will only show you the system apps. So you can just simply go and select the application that you would like to remove. Like for example, I'll go with the assistant. Tap on it and then go with delete, which is on the bottom. And it says grant permission to Kanta and Shizuku. So you need to go with the arrow. Tap on the arrow. And now you will receive a notification of allow Kanta to access Shizuku. You just need to simply go and tap on allow all the time and the application will be deleted. So that's how you can remove unwanted pre-installed apps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.